So I was talking to a friend the other day and I found something I had no clue about. Apparently, there's not just relationship anymore. There's whole damn navy of ships out there. Like a situationship, almost ship, complicated ships, no label ships, one night ships, God knows how many are floating around these days. And me, I only grew up knowing one ship that was relationship. And even that was treated like a lifetime commitment. But honestly, I wouldn't board most of these ships, even with a life jacket. But you know what? My personal opinion doesn't matter here, and neither does yours. Because when it comes to the law, morality is not a section in the BNS. Let's talk about that one ship people love to judge and it's controversial. That is live-in relationship. You heard it before. Living together without marriage is illegal. Really? Based on which law, which act, which judgment? Because I'll tell you what the law actually says. Live-in relationships are 100% legal in India, even without your parents' permission. Not immoral, not punishable, not even questioned, as long as both partners are adults. Still don't believe it? Here's what the Supreme Court of India has said. Live-in relationships through unconventional are not illegal. They fall under the fundamental right to life and personal liberty, guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. The same article that protects your life, freedom and dignity also protects your right to live with someone you love without marriage. So if you choose a live-in relationship, know this right before you sign up for the responsibilities. 1. Make sure both partners are adults and consenting. 2. Keep some basic proof of cohabitation, bills, joint rental agreements or photos from everyday life. It helps in legal matters. 3rd, if you're a woman, understand that you are entitled to legal protection under the Domestic Violence Act in case of abuse. 4th, if things go wrong, you have the right to maintenance and even the custody of the children, just like in marriage. 5th, you can't just walk away without consequences. Live-in doesn't mean casual. If you break up irresponsibly or abandon your partner, especially a dependent woman or child, you can be held liable, yes, legally and financially. So the bottom line, live-in relationships may not come with rituals, but they come with rights and responsibilities. And yes, legal consequences. So choose love, but don't forget the law. Because if things go wrong, emotions break you, but the law protects you. Thank you.